Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar and today I'm giving a very important announcement for offline CLAT 2021 test series. My dear students, we are launching this offline CLAT 2021 test series. This is one of the most successful test series in the country. So many students have been taking this particular course in last so many years and they are getting success out of success. Okay, great, this is wonderful दोस्तों. So ये कोर्स में क्या होगा? What this offline you can say test series comprises of? It is updated test series. It has covering latest pattern in it. It has a lot of focus on your comprehension capability. The questions are designed in such a manner that they are asking questions, you can say, in such a manner that you focus on your vocab, you focus on your logic, you focus on your the real meaning of a particular word in a legal parlance. Okay, those things are basically being developed in great detail. In addition to that, the questions will also cover two types of reasoning: deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. Okay, there will be specific sectional test available to you for this purpose. There will be vocab in context. This kind of capabilities are being provided. A very important current affair approach will be provided to you. In this current affair, we are providing to you a very detailed analysis of many events. At the same time, you get those crystal clear clarity about a particular concept. At the same time, you get crisp knowledge about, you can say, current affair. So we try to provide you current affair in many ways. There is not only one way of providing you current affair. We are going to provide you current affair in many ways. One will be monthly compendium. There are two monthly compendium. So monthly compendium will, one is very detailed oriented, other will be very specific. Okay, third is monthly, you can say, question series which we are developing for you in the new pattern. Okay, so those kind of thing will be available to you. There will be obviously a comprehension based mathematics will be provided. So that way this is a newly updated content. Dosto, in this, what you are going to get? You are going to get the total 35 full length mock CLAT. Okay, in that you will be getting 10 online test. Initial 1 to 10 mock will be online format. ProCLAT number 11 to 30 will be in an offline mode. Okay, they will be available in online mode as well. Okay, and then ProCLAT 31 to 35 will be online mode only. Okay, this is what we are going to provide to you. I think this is manageable with you. Yes. Okay, in addition to that, this test series will also focus on the ability to improve in a stage-wise manner. So we expect that initial 10 test is your a kind of net practice. Then for the next test, that is from 11 onwards, you will be actually looking at your score and how your scores are improving from mock test number 11 will make a difference to your score on the D day. Okay, there will be a lot of good quality questions. Dosto, this quality of questions will actually help you to get ready for any unforeseen circumstances. In fact, in the CLAT 2020, the kind of questions were asked, majority of legal reasoning questions were actually covered in our study material in our test series. So the students who join our test series, they felt that they are actually solving the same type of questions. Okay, the tests are regularly paced. Okay, the idea is so that you are taking them on a regular basis. Okay, the schedule is provided to you. Okay, okay. Apart from that, you will be getting detailed explanation for every question. Okay, in addition to that, we are also working on to provide some kind of, you can say, video sessions. Okay, they are free of cost to you. Okay, which is a part of this module wherein you will be getting strategies about how to approach a question. Okay, किस तरीके से पूरे पेपर को approach करना है, those kind of things will be discussed with you. Okay, you'll be getting monthly module, weekly GK huddle, all those things are part of it. there will be 18 institute specific tests, 5 tests of ALET, 5 tests of symbiosis entrance exam, 8 tests of MHCT. Okay, and then you will be getting 180 sectional tests. All of them are online mode. Out of this 180, 50 of them will be offline, okay, and 130 online. In fact, this 50 offline are on new pattern, okay, they are on new pattern. Okay, in addition to that, we are also going to provide you old pattern questions, which is principal fact based, so that you develop your capabilities of reasoning in legal part. Okay, we believe that this is crucial apart from all new patterns. Okay, so we are going to give you new pattern questions in large quantity. At the same time, old pattern questions are also going to be there. Okay, study material will also be there. So obviously it is not a full-fledged study material. It is basically you get a full word list, full maths formula, static legal GK, and regular current affair in a monthly format, easy to learn grammar book, and exhaustive list of legal maxims and legal terms. All these things will be available to you. So total 4 features of our test series. Gain it to the maximum. It will help you to improve your capabilities. So as I mentioned, 20 online, 50 of 15 offline, 18 online institute specific test, 50 offline, 130 online sectional test, and a good quality study material in a PDF format. I think this will help you to prepare in a right manner. So my dear students, let's come together and work towards this CLAT 2021 in a very aggressive manner. ProTalent by your side will always help you to score better in the examination. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this, and do not miss out to register on protalentdigital.com. You will get everything on protalentdigital.com. Okay. So all these things are available to you on protalentdigital.com. From there, you get this test series, you get online as well as offline test series. Okay, both test series are available to you. I think this is pretty clear to you. Great. Okay, thank you very much and all the best.